Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to solve all the queries and the problems related Course Hero Unlock in free. Yes, in free only. I will be showing you how to get 5 unlocks per 10 documents. I will solving all your queries and problems. The person who have commented in my past videos, I am just solving your also problems that other also can get some benefits. And guys, you can go to my description box. I have kept one link. That link contains my video, my past video, which is more than 100k plus views, and it has 80% success rate, and 20% of the people who have not been success, I will be solving their problems by this video. And guys, I will be explaining here also the same process, but you guys have to listen very carefully and look the steps very carefully. Please guys, once listen it carefully and do the step carefully, you will get success, is my guarantee. Now guys, I will be showing you here. This is the main scenario where you can get unlock. Okay, I will just go from the first only. You can see here, I have just for proof purpose I have shown you the unlock. Okay, I will just go to my first page. Okay, now you directly go to your first page. I will just complete this video within 5 minutes, don't worry. I will just complete. This is logout. Okay, now I will go to this login. Just click on login. If you haven't made any account, then just go to sign up, and after sign up you just go to sign up with Google. Okay, any Gmail account you can go and sign up. Okay, and then come into login. After coming into login, just login with Google. I have just login with any other Gmail address, so I will login from here only. It's not a big problem, you just create account easily in this. And when you after logging in, you will get this type of page. Okay, now you can see here, this is the upload page. Many of the persons, they won't find this upload part. Okay, you can see here is the upload part. You can see here 4 unlocks already, right? You just click on upload, and you can see here I have got already 5 unlocks. I have used my 1 unlock, so it is 4 unlock right now. Guys, if you will again, and this is the person where we have to just upload the documents means which type of document. Many of them have asked me some documents. You can see here I have just written Q2. Okay, this is one document. This is my assignment. Guys, just take one your document and just I will show you here one document. I will just show you one document. Okay, just click and drag and drop here, uploading one document. Again guys, it's uploading. Now you can choose any course code. Okay, don't worry for this, you can choose any course code. It will be processing like this, and it will just be accepted from here. Okay guys, I have got some queries in that comments also. Some of them asked me why this green bar is not moving. It means you can see here, guys, you can see here this green bar, it will be after uploading this green bar will be coming here. Okay, at the same time it will show you 10, 20, 30%, 40%, up to 100% when it comes to reach to here. Then your 5 unlocks will be, you will get your 5 unlocks more. Again you upload, again you will get 5 unlocks. Again you upload, more than 10 documents you have to upload. Okay, I have just, you can see here I have uploaded 12 document and 11 upload accepted, then only I got. If I have uploaded 10, I will not get that 5 unlock. I will be stopped here only in 90%. Guys, please, I prefer you upload more than 10 documents, up to 15 documents you can upload over here, and the document size must be smaller. The time consuming will be directly proportional to your MB, the file MB. The 5, if your file MB is below 5 MB, then the process will get so easily. Now guys, I will be showing you this only, and guys, some problems over there, just ignore this, guys. You can see here I have uploaded 12, yes, and this like only you will get the, after this processing it will get accepted. After accepting, my green bar will be moving from here and there and there, and it will 100%, and you can just unlock from this. I have got 4 unlocks. Okay, if I will just And how to unlock, after getting this unlock only, you can just go to my description box guys. The video will be much more longer. You can go to my description box, there I have shown you how to open, how to search your question in Google, and how to find that question is from Course Hero or not. You can just go over there from my description box and just click over there and you will get. This is for the query solving of the queries and the problems you are facing over there. Guys, this is on the process. If it is not available in your country, it is not working from your country, then please use VPN and locate some Nepal or India. I mean Nepal, you can just locate that location into Nepal also, or India also, any other country also. You will get this type of options. Okay, thank you guys. And if you have some queries more, then please give write in the comment box. I will just reply you. This is only the process. You just have to keep any type of document. Some of the queries were there, what type of document we have to keep. We have to keep the document which is not having plagiarism. The document you can just download from the Google also and just put over here, because this is the different platform, right? It is not related to Google, it is different platform. You can just copy from the Google some documents or PDF or any of the file which containing the information or the assignments. You can just copy, just drag and drop and just upload over here. And the guys, some of them they told I can't delete this, then you have to personally, you have to I think mail. Before this only you can just delete, otherwise you can't delete. You can see here, we can delete from here also, but after getting accepted you will not eligible to delete. You have to mail this particular Course Hero, uh, and then you can only get the deletion. Thank you so much guys, please subscribe my channel, and if you have some more queries then please go to my description box and you can watch over there. In Hindi also I have made some video about Course Hero. You can just go through that and you can enjoy. Thanks so much.